colorful na siya. Vegetables. Who loves vegetable? This celery is very good. So I eat much. Here. Yes. And then let's mix. Let's mix it slowly because my pan is so small. I got the pan that is so small. Parang gusto ko ng big pan na. It's okay. Yan. Pan is here. Nakahulog-hulog na sila. It's okay. So, imbis